The Knoxville Police Department is using new technology to address an old problem.
Yeah, KPD is testing new forensic marking technology to try and reduce property crimes. Now, Knoxville is the first city in the U.S. to actually test this system right now. It's been used in other countries with a high success rate.
Well, WATE 6 on your side reporter Stephanie Beacon was in the KPD training room as they demonstrated this new technology. So, Stephanie, how does this work?
Lori, Kristen, according to detectives, when someone steals your belongings like an iPad, it can be difficult to track the item back to the original owner. But to make it easier, a clear liquid with a unique code is put on your valuable items, just a small amount. That way police can easily trace your stuff back to you. This new forensic marking system is being tested right now in 2 Knoxville neighborhoods. Danny Gray lives in the South Woodland Pike neighborhood. He knows all too well what it feels like to have items stolen from his property.
It makes you very angry and upset.
His neighborhood, along with residents in the Old North Knoxville neighborhood, have been selected to use the new technology to test if it is successful in tracking stolen items and reducing property crimes. Knoxville Police Chief David Roush agreed to test out the technology.
If we're able to decrease, even a quarter of what we currently have, that will be a huge impact in our community in terms of, one, protecting others' property, but to reduce that victimization.
The way it works, residents apply the clear liquid with a unique code to their valuable items. The residents register their items online. If the items are stolen, police can use a special flashlight at pawn shops to look for the liquid. It shines blue under the special light, and the code assigns the item to the owner, making identifying stolen items quick and finding the real owner easy, meaning tracking down the thief will take much less time and effort. There will also be signs posted warning thieves. Residents use this technology.
It puts that seed in the mind of the criminal that if I go here in this neighborhood, they've got these signs up. If I hit, the chances of them connecting me to that property is pretty darn strong.
It's technology Gray wishes was available last time he had items stolen from his property.
They could have seen that these items were stolen right offhand in the pawn shops.
The testing will last about 90 days. KPD says if it is successful, they will add more communities to the program. No word on the cost to the city or the homeowner yet, since it is just being tested. Kristen, Lori, back to you.
All right, interesting. Thank you, Stephanie. Now, the chief agreed to be the first city in the U.S. to test this program because he says he was impressed with the results from European communities already using the technology, where property crimes, he says, decreased anywhere from 50 to 85%.